YouTube channel Ready to Learn Pro.
In this video, we are going to understand what is selection statements in Java, and first is if statement in Java. The if statement is a single selection statement because it selects or ignores a single action. For more better understanding, if statement either performs or select an action if a condition is true, or skips it if the condition is false. So this is the syntax of if statement. First we are going to write if keyword, then condition. In body we are going to write print statements. More better understanding, we are going to understand through this example. Here, suppose that the passing grade on an exam is 16. If student grade greater than equals to 60, if student grade is greater than equals to 60, then print passed. If student grade greater than equals to 60 is false, then that print statement is not going to execute. Now we are going to create a program, compare integers using if statement. For that, first we are going to write import java.util.scanner class. Program uses class scanner, then that is the main method. In that we are going to write, in that we are going to create scanner to obtain input from command line. For that we are going to write scanner input equals to new scanner system dot in. Now we are going to write system dot out dot println. In that we are going to write enter first integer, then we are going to read first number from user. For that we are going to write int number 1 equals to input dot next int, then again we are going to write enter second number, enter second integer. Here we are going to write number 2, and that is used for read second number from user, and then we are going to create if condition. In that we are going to write number 1 equals to number 2, then we are going to write system.out.printf. In that we are going to write %d equals to %d, %n, then comma equals to number 1, comma number 2. Then we are going to write if, again if condition. In that we are going to write number 1 not equals to number 2, number 1 not equals to number 2. In that we are going to write system dot out dot printf %d and not equals to %d, and just copy paste that. Then again we are going to write a if condition. Here we are going to write greater than number 1 is less than number 2, and also change that symbol. And again we are going to write another if condition. Here we are going to write number 1 is greater than number 2 and change this symbol also. Now we are going to run this program. So this program is going to be run successfully. Now enter first integer 21, then again enter second integer. Now we are going to write second integer is 22, then 21 is not equals to 22 and 21 is less than 22. So this is our program. So thank you guys. If you like, please subscribe our channel.